A step in his shoes, Dorayi voice of wisdom. In a world where everyone wants to speak, few are willing to understand. Sometimes a man is judged not for his actions, but by the speed at which others misread his intentions. Look at him. He's arrogant. He doesn't respect anyone. The crowd murmurs. We are quick to point fingers, but have we ever paused and asked ourselves, what if I were in his shoes? Put yourself in the shoes of the one criticized and think from his perspective. Only then pass a judgment on him, elder. My sons, when you correct others, remember, the goal is not to humiliate, but to awaken the conscience. The objective is to make the people realize their faults. It's not necessary that they should correct themselves in your presence, so do not be frustrated. True wisdom is patience. True strength is understanding. Before you speak, think. Before you judge, feel. And before you condemn, step into their shoes. This is Dorayi voice of wisdom, a voice that reminds, before you point a finger, be sure your heart is clean.